What if
Sam, you all right?
one day
He's afraid of flying.
I'm fine.
something happened that changed your whole world?
Sam, can I have my hand back?
Who is it?
Sorry to call you so early.
You recall what you said, how polar melting might disrupt the North Atlantic current?
Yes.
Well, I think it's happening.
Are you sure you can't get home any sooner than tomorrow?
Look, Dad, I would if I could.
I want you home.
Dad, don't worry about me.
Tokyo was battered by the largest hailstorm on record.
In Nova Scotia, the ocean rose by 25 feet.
It's happening all around the world.
The government has to start making preparations now.
That's the Los Angeles skyline!
Tornado just came and erased the Hollywood sign.
What exactly are you proposing, Professor?
Evacuate everyone south of that line.
What about the people in the north?
If they go outside,
What should we do?